can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Subhashri. I'm coming from Tamil Nadu.
Huh. Okay. So, what is the course that you have taken?
I'm taking a bra making, lingerie making course.
You have taken bra and lingerie making.
Yes.
Okay. So, what exactly is your plan to do? Like, why you have selected this course?
I have a vision to create on a industry of this because
Plan to start your own brand.
yes.
Okay. So this is your solution. So you want to give this solution
Yes,
to this. So maybe before joining this institute, you must have inquired many places, right?
I just searched for the place where to study this, but I never found anything. I found the classes in abroad and all, but it is not easy to go here to there.
Okay.
So many complications are behind that. I searched this institute by using Google only.
Okay.
Then one day I visited here and Saurabh sir explained everything in a
About the
clear,
course.
yeah,
So this is-
about the course in a very neat manner.
Okay.
So me and the husband thought this is the right place to do this. After some discussion with my family, I took this.
Okay. So that means before joining here, you have visited many places.
I searched, but I
Yes.
never visited because there is no place.
But you must have inquired many places.
Yeah,
that
I
time, right?
inquired so many places for
Okay.
this course, but no one said we
They
are.
also there is no one who is giving this course
Yes.
in India.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Since how many years were you looking for this course?
For last 1.5 years, I'm looking for this.
Okay. I mean, I think you had actually contacted us 1 year back, no?
Yes.
And after 1 year, after searching so much, after doing so much of research, then
Yes.
you planned and you have joined our institute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, because so many confusions for
Right,
me.
right.
Because this is the new thing which has happened. I'm going to happen.
Yeah, I know. For you, it is a new thing. Now, it's been how many days you have joined?
1 month completed.
You have completed 1 month
Yes.
now. So, how do you feel?
I had a zero knowledge, but now I can able to do.
You are able to do
yes.
now. You can do.
I
it
have
now.
that confidence.
Did you have any knowledge in fashion anyway, like in stitching or you?
Ma'am, the thing is, I hate this stitchings and all.
Okay, so you
Previously,
never-
before
okay.
joining this institute, if anyone told me to do
Stitching.
any business related to this fashion,
fashion,
definitely I will just escape from that place because I don't have that patience to sit in front of
that
the
office.
machine. Yeah. But after learn this techniques
After,
and all,
okay,
it is very easy. There is not that much big deal in this.
Okay.
Maybe because of my tutor, it will be like that.
Okay, so it is. You mean to say how easily a mentor teaches you, how easily a mentor trains you. It depends on that to grab the things, and it depends on that how you easily you understand the things,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Definitely, this credit will goes to my tutor, Suraj sir.
So we are looking forward to see different types of bras and maybe designer bras also. Okay. I think you have 1 more month time.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. One more
So
month.
after 1 month, I'll be again taking a video of yours with different types of bras.
Sure,
Yeah.
ma'am.